Hi, I'm Crow. Welcome to Driftwood Hollow Drums, and to this short video. It's to accompany my Etsy listing. It's for this beautiful shamanic drum just here. This is an 18-inch shamanic drum, and it's a buffalo skin head, as you can see here. If I turn it over, you can see the back, the way that it's been laced. So this is is it silver birch, I believe? Although it's not pale creamy silver birch, it's the reddy dark section of the branch. So that's lovely. On the inside, the frame is a beechwood frame, but what I normally do when I'm birthing my drums here is I always burn the date when the drum was birthed and the star sign and my maker's mark and all of that stuff into the inside of the frame, so you've always got that information. Now, the story behind this drum was that it was birthed alongside somebody else in a drum birthing workshop that I hold here. I do drum birthing workshops where you can come along and spend the day here and birth your own drum. And sometimes, not always, but sometimes I birth a drum alongside the person who's here for their workshop, so that I can demonstrate and show them what I'm doing on my drum, so that they can then go on and do it to their drum. And this is one such drum that I birthed. And when I do that, I never put any things on the inside of the frame. So yes, there is an informationless inside of this frame. But you'll always have, hopefully, the reference from this video and from your purchase, and so that you can always go back and refer to, just to find out, oh yes, it was buffalo skin, and that is beechwood. So yeah, I can actually figure out the date when this drum was birthed, and I will enclose that with the details to whoever purchases the drum. I'll have to look back in my diary and find out. Okay, so all of that wittering on there, you just come to hear the sound. So let's get straight onto it. This is a soft beater. I'm going to play with this one, and I'm going to swap over and use a firmer beater. Both give a slightly different sound, and both of those, or either of those, are available to purchase alongside the drum as well. So let's have a play. This is a soft beater. Gorgeous tone, lovely resonance, the firmer beater. Beautiful. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope it helps you to have more of an idea by having the sound to listen to before making that big decision. I'm Crow. It's been Driftwood Hollow Drums. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.